Always pet a cat. Woo! Always pet a cat.
Pete, this is Glenn. He's an outdoorsman.
Good to meet you, Pete. How are you?
Good.
I brought you this.
Whoa. How does it turn on?
That's a piece of elm.
Cool. So Glenn, what's your username? I'll add you to my network.
Look, Glenn doesn't have any networks or webiscopes. There's no web. When you want to communicate with Glenn, you know what you do? You get out into the wild, you find a leaf, you put it in a raven's mouth, and you write with resin a small poem, nature poem, like Keats, and then you send the raven on its way, and Glenn will find it, just like that.
It's true, Pete.
Like the old days, in the 1800s. Grinding is more than sitting on Twobbler all day writing twabs.
No, that's not the name of the website.
Look, Pete, you gotta get back to nature.
I'm more of an indoorsman.
I got this place I go at the end of every blueberry season. It's in Solis Provincial Park. Right after I collect a week's supply of blueberries on Ishpetina Ridge, I head down the Sturgeon River in my canoe. There's a cedar grove. Go to the same place every time because there's a family of owls that lives there. Black-tufted pine owls. And I paddle with those owls at night. I watch them sweep parabolas over the river and the moonlight glints off the rapids. The owls wait for me, Pete. You ever had an animal wait for you, Pete? No. Animals don't wait for people, Pete!
Glenn just got back from a trip.
Where?
I was paddling in the Snake River. Peel Watershed. Greater Mackenzie River Delta. North of Whitehorse. Whitehorse is the capital of Yukon. It's a territory. Canada? Outdoors?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Glenn's gonna teach you how to grind in the wild.
It is so cold.
Pete, you think this is cold? You know how cold the heart of your audience is, Pete?
Okay.
That's cold, okay? Okay?
So I just have to start a fire.
You gotta weather this. You gotta start a fire, Pete. You got your lighter?
Yeah.
It works?
Got my wood.
You got your wood?
Yeah.
It's all you need. I believe in you, Pete.
Shoot!
There's no way he's gonna start a fire.
He's got wood, a lighter, paper. We'll be 2 minutes. We'll check on him.
Yeah, let's go work on our knots.
Always pet a cat. Woo!
Back into the hole.
Oh.
And that's how you tie a bowline.
Glenn, I just love having you around.
It's good to be here.
Oh, what about Pete? It's been like 3 minutes. We should.
Let's go check on him.
Yeah, let's go. Where the hell is he?
Where's Pete?
Where did he go? Shit!
Pete! Pete! Pete!
Where the fuck is he, man? Where the fuck is he?
Oh, wait! Pete!
Oh no.
Pete! What happened? What happened?
Grinder, go grind.
I'm impressed.
With how much he messed it up?
Yeah.
Did I do it? Did I start a fire?
You did it, buddy.
Why are you lying to him?
He's gonna die.
Really? What?
Definitely.
Guys, I could read what you're saying.